In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your ThinkTrader account to TradingView so you can trade directly from your charts. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView in your browser and log into your account. Before moving ahead, make sure you're also logged into your ThinkMarkets account in another tab. This helps the connection process run smoothly. Now, go back to TradingView and load any chart. Once you're inside the chart workspace, look at the bottom of your screen and click on the Trading Panel tab. When the panel opens, you'll see a list of available brokers. Click on All Brokers to view the full list. Next, scroll through the list or use the search option to find ThinkMarkets or ThinkTrader. Once you see it, click on it. After clicking, you'll see a Connect button. Go ahead and click that. A login window or permission screen will appear asking you to authorize the connection. If you're already logged into your ThinkMarkets account, you may just need to confirm access. Otherwise, enter your login details and complete any verification steps like two-factor authentication. Once the connection is successful, you'll see your account details such as balance and positions directly inside TradingView. You can now place trades, manage orders, and analyze charts all in one place. If you don't see ThinkMarkets in the broker list, it means direct integration may not be available in your region or account type. That's it. You've successfully connected your ThinkTrader account to TradingView. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.